When planning your kitchen, it's easy to get caught up in the stunning designs. But let's pause and think what really matters in day-to-day life. A kitchen isn't just about style. It's where you spend most of your day cooking, creating, and living. So if it's not practical, the design can really become a headache. First, think about your cabinets. Take your cabinets up to ceiling height. Otherwise, if dust settles, it gets very difficult to clean them. Be smart with your tiles. A grooved or a textured tile for a kitchen is a big no-no, unless you have enough time to clean them. For practical and stylish cabinets, try to use glossy finish to avoid dirt and residue every now and then. For countertop, always use non-porous materials like quartz and granites. These are strain, bacteria and scratch resistant. So, not only make your kitchen look good, make it maintenance free. Save the video, and for more interior tips, follow Floorsy, where your dreams are tailored into reality.